The Arthopedia is a comprehensive report on property. We call it Property Information Memorandum. In the realty industry, e-commerce offers exciting opportunities, and we are looking to take leadership in niche areas that are still untapped and other immense revenue potentials. Statistics show that about 10 million people are moving into urban areas every year. Indian urban per capita income is expected to triple to $8,300 in less than 15 years, and thus enhancing the purchasing power of the people. About 35% of the Indian population is in the 15 to 35 age bracket. Urban household sizes are decreasing and unclear families are becoming the norm. Life expectancy is growing and the need for senior citizen specific housing is also rising. If we consider all these, then there are clear indications that property transactions are on the verge of growing exponentially. There will be an unprecedented need for property documentation services and property related information. This is the scenario that had made us to come up with the Arthopedia. The aims of the Arthopedia, if I explain, there is a need to bring about a transformation in property documentation services. This requires a fundamental change in the way the documents are currently presented. The Arthopedia is an attempt to breaking away from loopholes of property related information and provide a standardized property relevant document. The intent of Arthopedia is to support end user with informed decision making. This will also identify and provide analysis of the potential financial and economic benefits that can be derived from an investment in property transactions. This will define, measure and rank the features of the property outside within a specific square area, that is 1, 2 and 5 square kilometer radius. The Arthopedia will also provide complete 360-degree information on real estate properties with 760 attributes from GIS using photogrammetry and cartography. There is a certain process which we adopt while preparing the report. We accept customer request for a report of a particular property, collate and classify records and information pertaining to the property in digital form. Then we digitize maps, plans and drawings, etc. We also source photogrammatical information about the property and its surroundings. The process also involves source relevant to GIS information about the property and its surroundings. We package all the information in a format that is easy to use and understand. We provide the package in CD form or as a download supported by a printed manual on a pay-for basis. If we talk about the content of this comprehensive report, the Arthopedia, we can say it will have data on survey number, number of sites available, ownership details, history of the property, extent and status of developments, etc. with regard to the property. It will also contain similar data regarding the properties adjoining and others that are in the neighborhood available. The other contents of the Arthopedia are GIS data relevant to the property, spanning 10 broad parameters such as climatology, geology, sociology, soil conditions, culture, demography, etc. Photogrammatical representation of the property and its surroundings in 1, 2 and 5 kilometer radius. Cartographical information of the property and its surroundings covering natural features such as hills, streams, etc. and road network, social infrastructure in the form of hospitals, educational institutions, retail, entertainment facilities, police station, etc. An analysis of the financial and economic potential of investment in the property will also be the part of the Arthopedia. The benefits which lies with the Arthopedia comprehensive report, we can say it will provide comprehensive information about a specific property in a single easy to use package, quantum of information and level of detail that would not be easily available, informed decision making based on evidence, comprehensive record of property information that can be accessed as needed. The other benefit will be unmatched cost benefit ratio by virtue of savings in time, effort and investment needed by user investor to gain similar information. We are looking at our potential users such as for B2C individual property buyers, also individual property investors, and the B2B segment we are targeting at property developers, investment companies, housing associations, corporates, industries, legal firms, banks, as well as property valuation firms. We believe that the Arthopedia reporting is going to change the whole conception of property reporting. This will be a specific tool which is based on 3 T's. We call it trust, truth and transparency.